Walmart EBT checkout and regular checkout use the same Walmart registers, but the payment process is different because EBT benefits can only pay for eligible items. The biggest difference is not the checkout screen, but which products qualify and which payment methods can be used. By the end, you'll know how Walmart EBT checkout works, what changes compared with a regular purchase, and what to check before paying. Start with the main difference. Regular checkout allows you to pay for your entire purchase using options like a debit card, credit card, cash, or other accepted payment methods. Walmart EBT checkout uses your SNAP EBT card for eligible food items only, so your cart may need to be split between EBT-covered items and items you pay for separately. The first thing to check is item eligibility. SNAP benefits generally cover approved food items, but they do not cover every product sold in a grocery section. Items like household supplies, personal care products, and other non-food purchases usually require another payment method. This means your checkout total may include both EBT and non-EBT items. The register separates the eligible amount from the remaining balance that needs another form of payment. Now look at the checkout process. At a Walmart register, you can scan your items normally. When paying, you select the payment option and use your EBT card if you have eligible items in your purchase. If there are items that EBT does not cover, you complete the remaining payment with another accepted method. Online and pickup orders can work differently. Walmart's app and website show available payment options during checkout, but EBT availability depends on location and the services offered in your area. Before placing an order, confirm that your local Walmart supports the EBT payment method you want to use. The biggest mistake is assuming everything in your cart can be paid with EBT. Before reaching the register, review your items and separate anything that may not qualify. This makes checkout faster and helps you avoid payment issues. Regular checkout is simpler because one payment method can usually cover the entire purchase. EBT checkout requires more attention because eligibility determines how your payment is split. To recap, Walmart EBT checkout is different because it only applies to eligible items. Non-eligible items require another payment method, and checking your cart before paying can prevent checkout problems. The next time you shop with EP at Walmart, review your items before checkout and confirm your available payment options. If this guide helped you understand Walmart EBT versus regular checkout, like the video and subscribe for more Walmart shopping tips and payment guides.